Located in Hanoi, Vietnam, Cau Giay Junior High School is a high-quality school with educational goals towards the all-round development of students. During the complex situation of COVID-19, Cau Giay Junior High School, in collaboration with Vietnam National Museum of Nature, National Historical Museum, along with biology and historical experts, organize experiential activities on online platforms, helping students mobilize interdisciplinary knowledge, practice making products, and solve practical problems. We combine 3 online experiential activities: pickle vegetables and fruits, create phylogenetic trees and insect specimens, Ancient Culture Week, in 1 week of experience. The procedure of building the online experiential week model of our school includes 5 steps. First, our team identified the interdisciplinary knowledge, from which we could build a plan with a scope of 446th grade students in 1 week time period. Next, students participated in 3 different online experiential activities. In each activity, they were initially equipped with background knowledge about related fields through online lessons on Microsoft Teams. They could visit the kitchen online to understand more about the different ingredients, vegetables, and fruits. They could also access to a source of tutorial videos provided by museums and experts. With the support from teachers, museum staff, and experts, students proposed the plan and created individual or group products. Finally, students would report their products in different ways, such as writing, in-class presentation, video, and submitted their products to Padlet for teachers to evaluate. After the implementation, organizers reported their results and evaluated the online experiential activities.
Là hiệu trưởng nhà trường, tôi luôn thắp lửa và đồng hành để những ý tưởng sáng tạo của giáo viên và học sinh được thực hiện thành công. Ý tưởng trải nghiệm trực tuyến này đã giúp chúng tôi thích ứng một cách hiệu quả trong việc tổ chức các hoạt động giáo dục giữa đại dịch COVID-19, tạo được hứng thú học tập cho học sinh.
We know, though COVID-19 pandemic has caused interruption to teaching and learning process, the model of organizing online experiential activities can make the most of opportunities in terms of people, technology, and effective cooperation with out-of-school partners.